bucket time!
Oh, hello! It's so good to see you. Guess what day it is today? Yes, that's right. It's the 11th of December. The number 11. The 11th of December. But I wonder what's in my bucket today. Only one way to find out. Come on, let's go and have a look together. Come on. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Oh look! Today my bucket has the number 11 on it. The number 11. But what's inside? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, today my object begins with the letter S. The letter S. And that makes the S sound. S. Yes, that's right. S. Fantastic. He has a big white beard. And he wears a red suit with some white fur on it. And black boots. Do you know who it is? Yes, that's right. It's Santa. It's Santa. I think I've got a good idea. Shall we go and paint a picture of Santa? You want to? Come on then, let's go and do it together. I'm going to make a picture of Santa using my hand. We've got some red paint, some white paint and some blue paper, but you can have whatever colour paper you like. First we're going to start off with the red paint, and we're going to paint along the bottom of your palm, the bottom of your hand, nearly all the way down to your thumb, like that. Then we're going to get the white paint and we're going to paint every finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the tip of the thumb. 5. A bit more paint. We're going across there like that. Lots of paint all along like that. So your hand should look like that. Then we're going to pop it on to the paper. Push your hand down, up. Wow! Before we do some more creating, I need to go and wash my hands. I'll be back in a minute. I've washed my hands and they're nice and clean. And now I can finish my handprint. He's got a big white beard and a red hat. Do you know who it is? Yes, it's Santa, but he needs some eyes. So I'm going to put one eye there and one eye there, like that, and a little nose and a little mouth. He is going to be a happy Santa. Happy Santa. a little handprint of Santa. Why don't you have a go at creating a Santa? Or you might want to do a reindeer. Or maybe something else. Creating is so much fun. I really like my Santa.
Ho, ho, ho!
Today's number is the number 11. The number 11. Oh, look, a carrot. And there's some more. But I wonder how many carrots there are. Shall we count them? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 11. 11 carrots. Do you know who loves a carrot? Yes, that's right. Reindeers love eating carrots. Fantastic counting, guys. Hooray! Good time painting with you today, but now it's time to put Santa back in the bucket, ready for, yes, Christmas. In he goes. But what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow? I can't wait to find out with you and me on Bucket Time. See you later, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.